In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop alerts or pop-up notifications from your Badoo dating app. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications or alerts and you no longer need them, the best thing to do is to go ahead and put a permanent stoppage on them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. So to be able to stop these notifications, you need to go ahead and access the app information page, and you can easily do this through settings. So I'll go to settings here and then go ahead and look for the option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on your Android smartphone. Under apps, look for the option called manage apps or any related option, and then tap on it to open. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. You can also search for your app using the search function here. So once you find your app, tap on it to open, and you see we are on the app information page. However, if you can't get to this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app, and here's my app, and then long press on it, and you'll see here we have these three options. Choose the second option, which is app info. If you tap on it, you will get to the app information page. From here, look for this section called permissions, and under permissions, you will see notifications. If you tap on it, you can see all these notifications are on, and that's why you have been receiving all those pop-up notifications. To turn all those alerts off, go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications, and this will go ahead and turn all the other types of notifications off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications coming from this app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.